So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government exam revision series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic nationalism. So in short, to stay till the end of this video, as this is a very short one. Let's quickly go ahead and check out the question here. It says, nationalism in Nigeria was facilitated by A, the activities of Christian churches and missionaries, B, rapid economic growth, C, the actions of the veterans of the two world wars and traditional rulers, D, education and urbanization. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, that's education and urbanization. So that is for this question, and this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.